Okay, this story is called Boinéid Chásca. A Boinéid is a bonnet and Chásca is Easter, so it's an Easter bonnet. You're going to hear the piece being played through fully the first time, and then the next time there's going to be pauses in it.
Boinéid Chásca.
Is bra le mami an chásc. Buaileann sí lena cairde ar fad dónach Chásca. Tagann siad go dtí maithach. Déanann siad maisiúcháin ar uibheacha agus ar bhuinéid. An sin caitheann siad na Boinéid Chásca don lá. Ihann siad lón le chéile. Fanann daddy sa ghardín don lá.
Boinéid Chásca.
Is bra le mami an chásc. Buaileann sí lena cairde ar fad dónach Chásca. Tagann siad go dtí maithach. Déanann siad maisiúcháin ar uibheacha agus ar bhuinéid. An sin caitheann siad na Boinéid Chásca don lá. Ihann siad lón le chéile. Fanann daddy sa ghardín don lá.
Ceistena. Ceiste hain. An ma le mami an chásc. Ceiste dó. Cé leis a múlann sí. Ceiste trí. Céir de dhéanann siad. Ceiste cathair. An ihann siad lón le chéile. Ceiste cúig. Cá bhanann daddy don lá.
So, Boinéid Chásca again is an Easter bonnet. Is bra le mami an chásc. So mommy loves an chásc. Mommy loves Easter. Buaileann sí lena cairde. Buaileann is the verb to meet. So she meets lena cairde with her friends, ar fad, all her friends, at dónach Chásca. So on Easter Sunday. Dónach is Sunday, Chásca is Easter. Tagann siad go dtí maithach. Tagann is the verb to come. So they come, go dtí to maithach, my house. Déanann siad maisiúcháin. Déanann is the verb to do or make. So déanann siad, they make. Maisiúcháin. Maisiúcháin are decorations. Maisiúcháin ar uibheacha, so they decorate eggs and they decorate the Boinéid. So déanann siad maisiúcháin. They put decorations on eggs and on the bonnets. An sin means then. Caitheann siad. Caitheann siad in this case means to wear. So the verb to wear can also mean to spend or throw, but here it means to wear. So caitheann siad is they wear. What do they wear? Caitheann siad na Boinéid Chásca. They wear the Easter bonnets don lá for the day. So they spend the day wearing their Easter bonnets. Then we've got ihann siad. That's the verb to eat. So they eat. Ihann siad. Lón le chéile. They eat lunch le chéile together. And then finally, fanann daddy sa ghardín don lá. Daddy stays. Fanann is the verb to stay. Fanann daddy sa ghardín. Daddy stays in the garden don lá for the day. So there's loads of verbs in there. Buaileann sí is she meets. Tagann siad, they come. Déanann siad, they make. Caitheann siad, they wear. Ihann siad, they eat. Fanann daddy, daddy stays. They're all in the present tense, all those verbs. Okay, so now let's have a look at the questions. Okay, so make sure to put your title up the top and your page number, which is Leathanach Uachtail Ucht, page 88. Ceiste hain, question 1. An ma le mummy an chásc. An ma, does mummy like Easter? Now, you could usually say is ma le mummy or ní ma le mummy, but here we know that she loves Easter, so that's why we're going to say is bra le mommy an cosc. Mommy loves Easter. Ceiste do. Question 2. Cé leis a múlan she. So remember, the verb búil is to meet. So cé leis. With who? Cé means who. With who does mummy meet? And that starts off with the verb búlan mommy. Mommy meets lena carja fad. Mommy meets with all her friends. Okay, question 3. Céird a dhéanann siad. Céird means what? A dhéanann siad. What do they do or what do they make? So we're going to start off with the verb déanann. Déanann siad. They make. Mashúcán. Ivacha agus Boinéid. So they make decorations on eggs and on the bonnets. Question 4. An ihin siad lón le chéile. So the verb ihin means to eat. So there's two answers. Either ihin siad or ní ihin siad. An ihin siad lón le chéile. Do they eat lunch together? Ihin siad lón le chéile. They eat lunch together. And finally, question 5, ceiste cúig, cá bhanan daddy dun lá. Where does daddy stay? Fanan is stay, dun lá for the day. We're going to start off with the verb. Fanan daddy. Daddy stays. Sa gargin dun lá. Daddy stays in the garden for the day. Well done, and make sure to put your capital letters and your full stops and also the foddas on each of the words.